Alright, so I got the welder tuned up where I like it. I'm going to keep it at 75. Maybe turn up a little bit. I'm going to go 80 amps. I did turn off pulse and just have straight, no pulse. That seemed to work better. And here we go. I'm going to use the TiG finger guard to rest against the surface because it's probably going to get hot. So again, I want to tack the ends and then fill in the middle to prevent any crack propagation. I'm going to turn it up because the wheel is much larger than the piece of metal it's practicing on. So this is a much larger heat sink. So I'm going to turn up my amperage here, but as you can see looking at this, you've got a nice cleaning area in the middle, but around the edge you see that dark brown discoloration. That is residue of the powder coating or anodizing that, even though it looks like it's all going away, it is embedded deeply in the surface. So there's something to keep in mind. Aluminum is very porous, like a sponge. It absorbs chemicals, paints, and contaminants like crazy. There's always going to be an issue on repairs with aluminum, so you really never know what you're going to step into. Alright, I went up to 100 here. Let's see how that goes. There we go. A little tack on there, not a lot. I don't want a ton. It's not quite. It's a little difficult to heat up, so I want to give it enough heat to melt, but I don't want to blow a hole through here, so I got to be very, very careful with this thing. There we go. Much better. So that's 120, much nicer. It dropped right into the surface. Perfect. So here we go. We're going to fill it up. Okay, it appears we tripped a breaker in the house, so I gotta go fix that, but in the meantime, you can see there's a lot of black floaters coming to the surface, which is all this crud on the outside here. It wasn't wetting really well because of all this material that's been coming up to the surface here, so I may actually grind that out before I continue. So let's do that in a few minutes.